Einstein didn't want his brain or body to be studied, he didn't want to be worshipped. He had left behind specific instructions regarding his remains: cremate them, and scatter the ashes secretly in order to discourage idolaters. But Harvey took the brain anyway, without permission from Einstein or his family. When the fact came to light a few days later, Harvey managed to solicit a reluctant and retroactive blessing from Einstein's son, Hans Albert, with the now familiar stipulation that any investigation would be conducted solely in the interest of science. Harvey soon lost his job at the Princeton Hospital and took the brain to Philadelphia, where it was carved into 240 pieces and preserved in celluloid, a hard and rubbery form of cellulose. He divided up the pieces into 2 jars and stored them in his basement. 1985, Harvey and collaborators in California published the first study of Einstein's brain, claiming that it had an abnormal proportion of 2 types of cells, neurons and glia. That study was followed by 5 others, reporting additional differences in individual cells or in particular structures in Einstein's brain. The researchers behind these studies say studying Einstein's brain could help uncover the neurological underpinnings of intelligence. But that premise is nonsense and the studies are bunk, at least according to Terence Hines, a professor of psychology at Pace University. The underlying problem in all of the studies is that they set out to compare a category made up of one person, an N of 1, with a nebulous category of not this person and an N of more than 1. With an N of 1, it's extremely difficult to calculate the statistical variance, the likelihood that, for example, Einstein's low neuron-to-glia ratio is real and not just a fluke of that particular region and those particular methods. Even if the statistics were sound, you'd still have the problem of attributing skills and behaviors to anatomy. There's no way to know if X thing in Einstein's brain made Einstein smart/dyslexic/good at math/ you name it, or was just an X thing in his brain.